Hey everybody, this is Matthew Huchterman with University of Missouri Extension. I'm here to share with you an exciting opportunity for Missouri high tunnel growers. I'm talking about our upcoming tunnel to table field days. These field days will offer producers the chance to meet on the farm and gain hands-on experience from seasoned high tunnel growers, as well as a number of state and local extension specialists. Topics covered during field days will include site-specific management practices, high tunnel structures and environment management, insect and disease control, fertility and irrigation management, and high tunnel business management. We'll hold a total of 5 field days across the state. We'll be meeting at Early Bird Farms in Warren County on April 15th, Earth Dance Organic Farm School in St. Louis County on April 28th, Millsap Farms in Greene County on May 1st, Buckeye Acres Produce Farm in Johnson County on May 12th, and Meyer Farms in Pike County on May 18th. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Justin Kay with MU Extension. Be sure and check the caption to find more details and to register for a tunnel to table field day near you. We'll hope to see you there.